Today, we're going to talk about an incident that happened in the heart of London. Let's get started. Tourists often ask if London is a safe city. London boasts extensive surveillance and an efficient police force. However, this doesn't mean that crimes do not occur here. On average, 200 mobile phone thefts are reported each day, meaning that approximately every 7.5 minutes, someone falls victim to such a crime. Let's discuss an incident that occurred on March 6, 2024. That day, a man committed a series of bold thefts. The thief, a 28-year-old British citizen, stole 24 phones within 1 hour. He rode an electric bike and wore a ski mask. The robberies took place in central London between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. His method was simple yet effective. He approached unsuspecting pedestrians and snatched their devices. Then, he sped away at up to 80 kilometers per hour on his bike. He stole an average of one phone every 2.5 minutes, quickly choosing his victims and making fast getaways. Tourists are usually unaware of this type of danger. Often they are engrossed in capturing the best photos of London and focusing on the city's attractions, making them easy targets for criminals who typically approach from behind. Consider people taking selfies. They do not see what is happening around them, making it relatively easy to snatch a phone from their hands. The last victim of this thief was a woman waiting at a bus stop, absorbed in texting. She did not notice the approaching thief, and in an instant, her phone was gone, and the perpetrator had fled before she could react. The incident occurred on Blackfriars Bridge. Subsequently, the criminal headed towards the City of London. The police, thanks to the extensive surveillance network, were able to quickly track him down. He tried to escape through side streets, but ended up trapped in a dead end where he was apprehended by officers. In October 2024, he was sentenced to 2 years in prison for his spree. One man, 24 phones in an hour. But justice caught up with him. It's important for you to know the emergency phone numbers in London should you find yourself in a similar situation. If you want to enhance your safety while traveling, be sure to watch our video. Top 12 Safety Tips. Is London a safe city? Now, let's talk about emergency numbers, should you need them. Unfortunately, different countries have different numbers. In the UK and Ireland, it's 999. In the European Union, it's 112. In the USA, it's 911. These numbers can be dialed without any additional area codes. However, we hope you won't encounter any such incidents and that your trip will be safe. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It really motivates us. Before your trip, it's worth learning what you can do to feel safer in London.